Good morning, students. In continuation of IUPAC nomenclature, we will see the already we know about the rules, and we know about the what is prefix, what is suffix, what is primary suffix, what is secondary suffix, what is root word. Based on those rules and based on those words, okay, I want to explain how to write the name of an organic molecule. Okay, here I am taking some molecules. CH double bond CH, okay, CH2 COOH. Here I will write different names. CH3 CH2 CH CH3 COOH, CH3 CH CH3 CH Cl COOH, CH3 CH double bond C CH3 COOH, CH3 CH CHO CH, Cl COOH, CH3 C double bond O CH CH3 COOH. These are some molecules. In continuation, I will write some more molecules. Okay. Next. Okay, here I am writing CH3 CH2 CH CH3 CH CH3 CH2 COOH, CH3 CH double bond CH CH3 CH3 NH2, here Cl COOH. Here I am taking CH3 CH2 CH3. Okay, here CH3 CH2 CH NO2 CN NO2 CN CH2 C double bond O COOH. Next, CH2, or instead of CH2, CH triple bond C, CH double bond CH, CH NH2 COOH. These are all related to only carboxylic acid. These are all related to carboxylic acid. Okay, how to write the? Okay, in continuation, just we'll see the names of these molecules. See complexity increasing from first compound to last compound. Different functional group is same, but here substance, double bonds, all those are the different. We'll see first. Select longest carbon chain. This molecule has only one chain. So after the longest carbon chain, you select you give the numbering from left to right or right to left. First observe functional group is there or substance is there. Here this molecule contains functional group. Which functional group? Carbon functional group. So give the numbering from carbon functional group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, numbering over. Okay, here this substance, this is only functional group. Every molecule has only one functional group. Remaining all are considered as a substance. Here double bond is there. Double bond is present at which position? Third position. Right 3. How many carbons are there here? Okay, here How many carbons? 5 carbons. Pent. And here double bond is there now. In. Okay, if COH functional group is present, we use the oic acid. 3-pent-enoic acid. 3-pent-enoic acid. Here also same. Give the numbering from functional group only. Okay, here we have substance. The name of substance is methyl. At which position? Second position. So write 2-methyl. 4 carbons are there. But-N-oic acid. Okay, 3-methyl-butanoic acid. The IUPAC name of this molecule is 3-methyl-butanoic acid. Next here, same 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, at second position chlorine is there, third position methyl is there. Okay, by writing the names of prefixes, you should follow the alphabetical order. So I am writing like this: 2-chloro, comma. Third question what we have? Methyl, 3-methyl. Okay, how many carbons are there? 4 carbons. But-N-oic acid. Butanoic acid. This is the IUPAC name of this molecule. And here also say double bond with methyl. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here at second position double bond is there. 2-methyl. 2-methyl is there. And at second position double bond is there. 2. How many carbons? 4 carbons. But-Enoic acid. 3-methyl-but-enoic acid. Next here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is only functional group. Remaining all are substrates. Okay, here at second position, chlorine is there. 2-chloro. If CHO, here CHO acts as substance. Remember that one. Every molecule has only one functional group. Here CHO acts as substance. If it acts as substance, we use formyl. At third position, 1, 2, 3 na. Third position. At third position, formyl group is there. 3-formyl. 2-chloro, 3-formyl. How many carbons? 4 carbon. But-N-oic acid. This is the IUPAC name of this molecule. Next here, same. Give the numbering from carboxylic acid side. 4. Okay, second position, methyl group is there. Okay, third position, oxo is there. Okay, so write C double bond O group is here. Carboxylic acid group is functional group. C double bond O group is here substrate. Here only substrate. Okay, so write if it acts as substrate, we use oxo. 3-oxo, 2-methyl. At second position we have methyl, 2-methyl, but-N-oic acid. Okay, this is the IUPAC name of this molecule. And then here we have the different. See, give the numbering from carboxylic acid. If carboxylic acid group is there in organic molecule, you should start numbering with that carboxylic acid group only. Okay, here this is the methyl group. This group we called as isopropyl group. This group we called as CH3. Already I said. Okay, Y-shaped group we called isopropyl group. Okay, here I am writing 4 isopropyl. This is fourth position of 4 isopropyl. 3-methyl. How many carbons? 6 carbon. Hexanoic acid. The IUPAC name of that molecule is, what is that? 4-isopropyl hexanoic acid. 4-isopropyl hexanoic acid. The IUPAC name of that molecule is 4-isopropyl 3-methyl hexanoic acid. Next, give the numbering from here only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, first write prefixes. How many prefixes are there? 4 prefixes. Okay, chloro is there, amine is there, methyl is there. First write. Second question, NH2 group means amine. Alphabet start with the A. So I wrote here 2 amine, and here 2 chloro. 2 amine, 2 chloro. How many methyls are there? 2 methyls at third carbon. So write 3, 3 dimethyl. 3, 3 dimethyl. How many carbons are there? 6 carbons. Double bond here. Double bond is present at 4th position. So write 4. Okay, 6 carbon. Hexenoic acid. 2 amine, 2 chloro, 3, 3 dimethyl, 4 hexanoic acid. Here also say, first you select the longest carbon chain. Here methyl group is there, this side ethyl group is there. So you select this longest carbon chain. Then all this becomes as a substance and give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It contains 8 carbon atoms. Remaining all are, except carboxylic acid, remaining all are considered as a substance. Write substance. Nitro, NO2 group means nitro, Cn means cyano, C double bond O means keto, we use oxo. Okay, here CH3 is there, here CH3 is there. Okay, start with cyano, alphabetical order. Okay, 4 dash. While writing name and number, you put the dash. 4 cyano, comma. And here 4 methyl. This methyl. At 6 carbon, we have the 2 methyl. This one and this one. 6, 6 dimethyl. 6, 6 dimethyl. And here, okay, at 4th position, nitro is there. Nitro. Okay, after that, at 2nd position, we have oxo. Okay, oxo, 2 oxo. Keto group is there, oxo. How many carbons are there? 8 carbons. Octanoic acid. Octanoic acid. This is the IUPAC name of this molecule. Next in continuation, here different one. This is also different one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, second position, amine is there. Write amine, 2 amine. And here 5th position, what we have? 5th position, ine is there. 5 ine. Triple bond is there means use ine. And at 3rd carbon, you write 3 ene, or it is mixed with 3. How many carbons are there? 6 hexanoic acid. Okay, 2 amine, 5 ine, 2 amine, 5 ine, 3 hexanoic acid. Hexanoic acid. Okay, just this is about the IUPAC names of different carboxylic acids. Okay, different carboxylic acids. In continuation, we will see some more molecules. Here we start with aldehyde. Okay, CH3, CH, double bond, CH, CH, CH3, CHO, CH3, C, okay, OH, CH3, okay, here, Cl, here NH2, CH2, CH, CH3, CHO, and here CH2 double bond CH, CH, NO2, CH, Cl, CHO, CH3, Cl, Cl, fluorine, fluorine, here NO2, NH2, CHO, CH2 double bond C, H, C triple bond CH, CH3, CHO. Okay, here CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CHO. CH3, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. This is ketone. CH3, C double bond O, CH, Cl, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. CH3, C double bond O, okay, CH2, CH2, CH, Cl here, CH, Br here, CHO. Next, C, Cl3, CHO. These are the aldehyde and ketones, some of the aldehydes and ketones. Okay, just write. If aldehyde functional group is there, aldehyde group is present as a functional group, we use Al. If ketone present as a functional group, we use ON bone as a secondary suffix. Just I will write names of these molecules. CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH, CH3, CHO. Okay, CHO also carbon functional group. Then give the numbering from carbon functional group as CHO. 3, 4, 5. Okay, 4, 5. Right. First write prefix. Any prefixes are there? Here methyl prefix is there. Right. 2-methyl. 2-methyl. How many carbons? Okay, double bond is present at third position. 3. Okay, then write. How many carbons? 5 carbons. Pent, ene, al. Pentene, sorry, here pentene, al. 2-methyl, 3-pentene, al. Okay, just this is about the IUPAC name of that molecule. Here, again start with numbering with aldehyde carbon. Why? Aldehyde is functional group. Okay, here we have amine functional group, OH functional group, but it is a carbon functional group. If carbon functional group and non-carbon functional groups are present, should give the preference to, okay, priority to carbon functional group. Then, okay, we start with numbering with carbon functional group only. CHO here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, finish. Write first prefixes. Methyl is there. How many methyls are there? 2 methyls. At second position, fifth position. Amine is there. Chloro is there. OH, it is a here prefix. Prefix means we use hydroxy. We use hydroxy. So first I am writing based on alphabetical order. I am writing here 4 amino comma. Next 4-chloro. 4-chlorine, 4-chloro. And here 5-hydroxy. 5-hydroxy. And at second position and fifth position we have methyl group. 2, 5 dimethyl. 2, 5 dimethyl. How many carbons are there? 6 carbons. X. No double bond, no triple bond. N. All. 4 amino, 4 chloro, 5 hydroxy, 2, 5 dimethyl hexanol. The UPS name of this molecule is. Next in continuation, start with numbering with here only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chloro is there, nitro is there, triple bond is there. Okay, second position chloro, 2 chloro, comma, 3 nitro, comma. Okay, double bond is present at fourth position. 4. How many carbons? 5 carbons. Pent. Double bond is there now. At fourth position I wrote here. 4 pentene all. 4 pentene all. Next here, this is a one different molecule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gives same pentanol. Okay, here we have the different prefixes. That means substance. Amino is there, chloro is there. Right? NH2 means amino. 2 amino. 4 2 chlorines are there here. 4, 4 dichloro. 4, 4 dichloro. And here fluorine is there. 3, 3 difluoro. Okay. And here second position nitro is there. 2 nitro. How many carbons are there? Here longest carbons are 5 carbons. So pent. No double bond, no triple bond. N and all. Pentanol. 2 amino, 4, 4 dichloro, 3, 3 difluoro. 2 nitro pentanol. 2 nitro pentanol. Okay, in continuation of this one, this is a different one. Double bond is there, triple bond is there. Okay, double bond, triple bond is there means we give the preference to double bond only. That means double bond only we write with the root word. And triple bond considered as a substance. Triple bond considered as a substance. Give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over. At second position, methyl group is there. Right, 2 methyl. 2 methyl. Then, okay, 3 ine. 3 ine. Next, at fifth position, double bond is there. 5. 6 carbons are there. X, in, all. 2 methyl, 3 ine, 5 X, in, all. The UPS name of this molecule is. Okay, that is the IUPAC name of that particular molecule. Next in continuation, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CHO. This is C double bond O means keto functional group, CHO means aldehyde functional group. Aldehyde and keto functional groups are present in molecule. Both are carbon functional groups. Okay, we should give the preference to aldehydes, then only ketones. So, numbering start with the here aldehyde 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it is keto group is substance. That means if it acts as a substance, we use 3-oxo. And how many carbons are there? 4 carbons. But N all. Butanol. Okay, next CH3 C double bond O, CH2 C double bond O. Only ketone functional group is there. Give the numbering. Left to right and right to left. Both will be same. Okay. Both are functional groups. Both are functional group. Right. 2, 4. How many carbons are there? 5 carbons. Pent. N. Okay. Dione. Pentane dione. 2, 4. Pentane dione. Dione means 2 ketones are there. Okay, here it contains 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This has substance at third position. Write 3-chloro. 3-chloro. And here 2, 5, 7. Tri-pent. Or you write 3, 2, 5, 7. Pent. No double bond, no triple bond. Ane. Trio. 3-chloro, 2, 5, 7. Pentane trio. Next, here. Aldehyde is there, again ketone is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give the preference to aldehyde only. At second position bromine, third position chlorine. Okay, 2 bromo, alphabetical order. 2 bromo, 3 chloro. Okay, 6 oxo. 6 oxo. Hept. Ane. All. Heptanol. Okay, here CHO is there. This is like C, Cl, Cl, Cl. 1, 2. It contains 3 chlorine atoms. Right? 3 times na? 3, 3. How many chlorine atoms? 3. So trichloro. How many carbons? 1, 2. Eth, ane, all. 3, 3. Trichloroethanol. Trichloroethanol. Okay, trichloroethanol. Okay, this is about the just IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones. In continuation, we will see the some more molecules. Okay, here I am taking alcohols. CH3, CH double bond, CH, Cl, Cl, CCH3, CH3, CH2, OH. Okay, it has only alcohol functional group. It has only alcohol functional group. Here alcohol only functional group. If alcohol is present in the organic molecule, we use whole as a secondary suffix. Okay, right? I will base the name of this molecule. Okay, first I will write. After that I will give some. I will write some more. Okay, give the numbering from this one. Don't write the numbering from oxygen. Oxygen is not carbon. Numbering give to. You should give the numbering from numbering only carbon chain. Don't give that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write first prefixes. Chlorine prefixes. 2 chlorine prefixes are there. So at third position 3, 3 dichloro, 3, dichloro, and here okay 2, 2 dimethyl. Okay, fourth position double bond is there. 4 hex double bond is there na, ene and ol. 3, 3 dichloro, 2, 2 dimethyl, 4 hex ene ol. Next CH3, CH2, CH, okay, C2H5, CH, CH2, CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH3, CH3, and here CH2, OH. See, number of carbons increasing, number of substance also increasing. So, right. Start remembering with this one only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Longest carbon chain, same longest carbon chain. Okay, here first write the prefixes. Ethyl is there, CH2, CH3. We called as ethyl. Here we called as ethyl. How many ethyls are there? 2 ethyls are there. So I wrote here 2 times. This is also written like this. Et also. CH2, CH3. I wrote in different way. C2H5 different way. Et different way. All are the same. Only ethyl. Okay, here write 5, 6 diethyl, comma. Okay, second question 2, 2 dimethyl. At third question double bond is there. Okay, how many carbons? 8 carbons. Okay, right. 3 octene ol. 3 octene ol. Okay, next CH3 C triple bond C triple bond CH double bond CH double bond CH2 OH. Different molecules. Okay, do the numbering from carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, double bond and triple bond. Double bond more favorable group than triple bond. So give the preference to double bond. That is only combined with the root word. First write many prefixes are there. A double bond and OH functional group leave it. Triple bond is there. At which position? 6th position and 8th position. 6, 8. How many triple bonds are there? Okay, here. How many triple bonds? 2 triple bonds. So 6, 8 diene, comma. 10 carbons are there. And here 1, 2. 2 double bonds are there. At second position 2, 4. Okay, take diene. 2, 4 diene ol. Okay, 6, 8 diene. 2, 4 diene ol. Next Cl F. Here F. Here NO2. Here NH2. Here Br. Here iodine. Here CH2. Here H. Different substances are there here. Different substances are present in that particular molecule. Okay, different substances are present in that particular molecule. Okay, here give the numbering from this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is chlorine, not carbon. Okay, here at second position, iodine is there, bromine is there, amino is there. Okay, third position, amine is there, right? Amino, 3, 3 amino. And here bromine is there, 2 bromo. And here fourth position, chlorine is there, 4 chloro. After that, 4 chloro finish now. Okay, here fourth position we have 2 fluorines, 4, 4 difluoro. 4, 4 difluoro. And here iodo, 2 iodo. And here 3 nitro. 3 nitro. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. But no double bond, no triple bond. N ol. 2 amino, 2 bromo, 3 amino, 2 bromo, 4 chloro. Okay, 4 chloro, 4, 4 difluoro, 4 iodo, 3 nitro butanol. Butanol. Okay, in continuation, we'll see here some more molecules. Aldehydes over, ketones over. Okay, here I am taking different molecules. CH3, CH, CH3, C double bond O, Cl. This molecule we called as acid chloride. This molecule we called as acid chloride. If acid chloride, C double bond O Cl group is there, we use oil chloride. We use oil chloride. Start with here only. 1, 2, 3. At second position, methyl group is there. So write 2-methyl. How many carbons are there? 3 carbons. Prop, end. If C double bond O Cl group is there, so end with the oil chloride. 2-methyl. Okay, propanoyl chloride. 2-methyl propanoyl chloride. Right. Next. Okay, 2-methyl propanoyl chloride. CH2 double bond CH double bond CH2. This is the one different type of molecule. Different type of molecule. Give the numbering from any side. 3, 4. At first position and at third position we have the double bond. So we write 1, 3. Okay, here how many carbons are there? 4 carbons are there. Buta. Okay, here 2 double bonds are there. Write di. 1, 3 butadiene. 1, 3 butadiene. Okay, here CH triple bond C triple bond CH. Same numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3 buta diene. 1, 3 buta diene. This is also one type of molecule. Okay, here I am